Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial from Vintage Radar. Today I'm going to show you how to set the time and date on your Casio Twin Sensor Watch. The first thing that we want to do is to make sure that we are in our home screen, so where I have the time and date displayed. So here, in case you are not in your home screen, what you want to do is to press the mode button, go past all the timer, alarm and so on, and then we are going to arrive at the time and date. Here what we want to do is to press and hold the adjust button for around 3 seconds, and you are going to hear a small beep. The first thing that you are going to see flickering, flashing is going to be the home city. Here you can use the two buttons on the right in order to go due east and due west in order to select your home city. Then I'm going to press the mode button in order to toggle between the different options and settings of the watch. As you can see here, I have the TST. I'm going to go past the TST. And the first thing that we have when it comes to setting the time and date is going to be to select between the 12-hour display and the 24-hour display. So as you can see right here, I have the 12-hour display, and that is why I see 9, let's say AM. If it was 9 PM, we would see a P next to 9. I can use the lower button on the right side in order to switch between the 12-hour display and the 24-hour display. I prefer the military time, so the 24-hour display, so I'm going to leave it like this. I'm going to press the mode button once again, and here the first thing that we can set are going to be the seconds. If I press the comp button once again, they are going to reset to 0. So in case you have the seconds between 1 and 29, they are going to reset to 0 and no minute is going to be added. In case they are between 30 and 59, they are going to reset to 0, but also a minute is going to be added. This is going to be very useful in order to be very precise when it comes to setting the minutes. Then I'm going to press the mode button once again. Here I can adjust the hours. Now we can use both buttons, so I can go backwards using the light button and forward using the comp button. If I press and hold any of the two buttons, we are going to speed scroll, so I'm going to move a lot faster, and this is going to be very useful for setting, let's say, the minutes. So let's make it 19 so that we also see the military time. Now I'm going to press the mode button, and let's say I want to make it 45. Instead of going forward, I'm going to go backwards, speed scroll. In case you go a little bit further, let's say 44, I can always go in the opposite direction. Now I'm going to press the mode button once again, and now when it comes to setting the date, the first thing that we have is going to be setting the year. Something really cool is that this model also features going backwards for the year, because a lot of Casio watches or G-Shock watches can only go forward, and in case you go past your year, you are going to go past 2099 and then arrive at your year. So let's say that I want to make it 2030. You can also use the speed scroll function once again. Then I'm going to press the mode button once again. Here we have the month. As you can see, we can go in both directions. So let's make it March, the 10th of March. You can also use the speed scroll function as well. Now, something really important when it comes to Casio watches in general is that you can set the year, the month, and the day of the month. And if you set those correctly, Casio will automatically calculate the day of the week for you up to 2099. So in case you are attempting to set manually the day of the week, you won't be able to do that, because you need to set these three correctly, and Casio will do the rest for you. If I press the mode button, I'm going to keep on going. Here I can select the temperature to go between Celsius and Fahrenheit, and here I'm going to cycle back from the beginning, and once again I have the home city. So in case you made the mistake, you can keep on pressing the mode button, and then you can arrive at setting what you want to, let's say, correct. And let's say I want to make it 20. And then in order to finalize the process, I'm going to press the adjust button, and voila, I have the time and date displayed. And as you can see, just as I told you, Casio calculated automatically the fact that the 10th of March 2030 is going to be a Sunday. So guys, this was the quick tutorial that I had for you today. In case you want to watch the full guide with all the functions and features of this particular model, make sure to check out the link in the description box below, because I'm going to show you how to use everything, how to calibrate it, how to use the world time function, the stopwatch, the timer, the alarm, and then also all the other features that the watch has, including how to replace the watch battery by yourself at home. In case you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this YouTube channel. It really means a lot. I post a lot of videos about watches, vintage watches, watch tutorials and watch reviews, so I'm pretty sure you are going to love it here. And in case you want to purchase your first vintage or pre-owned watch, make sure to check out our website vintageradar.com, because we have thousands of vintage watches for sale. Link in the description box below. Thank you guys for watching, subscribe, and I'm going to see you in the next video.